Okay, everybody. So now we will move with the second formula, that is the sort by. So in sort, what we did was I have a data and I wanted to sort descending to ascending. So we used a sort formula. We use table, which is the name of this table. We wanted to sort it on first column. We sorted on first column. Minus one means descending. This we did in the last video. Now we will move ahead and we will see another option, that is sort by. So what I will do is I will select all this data and I will quickly hide the column. Right click and I say hide so that it's easy for us to practice sort by. Let me hide this also. Now, what is sort by? Pay attention. Very interesting thing. I will say Excel equal and I will say sort by. When you type sort by, the first thing he asks you is the array. And what is the array? Is the range. And now you know we have converted this data into table, control T. And when we converted this data into control T, this data has a name, table 1, which I have already covered in last video. So the name of this table is table 1. So I go over here and I say equal sort by. In sort by, the first question it asks you is the array. So what is the name of this table? I will type table. So this is the name, table 1. It means this table. So this is the table you selected. Then you put comma. Now you see what it asks you, by array. He's saying, okay, I will sort this table, but on which column you want to sort? So I wanted to sort by gender. So I want first female, then I want male. So in by array 1, I click on male, control shift down. You select this. Got it? Then you will put comma. Then it asks you how you want to sort. So I wanted to sort ascending. So it is 1. And I press enter. And you got sort. What happened? You sorted, but you sorted on gender. But wait, there is more to it. After this, again you can press comma. Now it asks you array 2. Means, do you want to do multiple level of sort? I say yes. In all this female, I want all the salespeople together. Like, for example, these are all female. In that, this is sales. This is sales. This is sales. These are two sales. So all the people who are female and the department as sales should come together. So you do multiple level. So after this, again you put comma. Then it asks you array 2. So I say I wanted to sort it on department. So you click on sales, control shift down. And then once again you will put comma and then you can write by order. I say 1, close the bracket and press enter. Your work is done. So now what happened actually? First, you filtered on gender, so A, B, C, D, E, F, all female together. In female, all the finance together. In female, human resources together. In female, all the production together. So first, Excel did sorting on gender. In gender, he did sorting on department. So this way, you arrange the data in a proper order. As this was a little bit bigger formula, I will try to do once again for you. If you have understood, go ahead and practice. If you have not and you want me to repeat, see on my screen one more time, I'm repeating. So you will type over here equal and you will say sort by. Now you think in your mind what I'm going to do so that you learn. I want to select the first option array. Array means what? This table. And if you know, in the last video, I have shown you control T for table. And the name of this table is table 1. So you will type table 1. So sort by, first you select the name of a range, that is table, comma. Then array 1 means a column on which you want to do sort. Got it? So I come on this male. Control Shift down. So I am saying Excel that sort on this column. I go scroll up, and after this you put comma, and he's asking you sort order. How you want to sort? I wanted to sort, let's say descending, -1. So male will come first. So I close the bracket, press enter. So you got the data sorted by first male. But in this email, what I want in all these mail records, I want all this record together like logistic. All should come together. You want to arrange. So again, I will double click on the first field. Remember, you can't make changes over here. There is no formula. First only you have to double click. After this -1, you will put comma. Now he asks you array 2 means which is the second column on which you want to do sort. So I say this is my second column from sales till down. Again you put comma and again he's asking you how you want it to sort. I say 1 means ascending, enter, done. So first he sorted on male. In male, he sorted on finance together, human resources together, logistic together. Got it, everybody? So this way, with the help of sort by function, automatically you can do multiple level of sort. The more interesting part over here is with multiple sort, it is a dynamic. It means if you are adding more records to it, automatically in this, it will fetch and will add the records over here. Got it, everybody? So this was the sort function, and this was a new function in Office 365 that is sort by. Take some time, try to practice. I will keep the formula on so that you can check and try once. If you're able to try once by seeing, try to practice without seeing so that you become good in that. Thank you.